My name is Dr. Brazg. I've been with Rainier Clinical Research since 1992, 29 years. Original founders and owners of the business, and currently medical director. So we set up this research center initially as part of our clinical practice to provide our patients with state-of-the-art treatment, whether related to medical devices or new pharmaceutical agents, particularly in the field of diabetes. We started out as an endocrinology practice and have been doing research as part of our practice for the first 20 years. And then for about the last 8 or 10 years, I've devoted myself just to do research alone. And our mission is basically first safety for the patient, providing them with state-of-the-art medical care, and providing our sponsors, which are the pharmaceutical and device companies, clean, accurate, and precise data. So clinical research basically has 3 pillars to it. The first pillar is our patients, or we call them study participants. The second is our staff. And the third are our sponsors, which are the pharmaceutical and device companies that provide us the work and for whom we contract for. So as far as for the patients, we want to provide a very safe, clean, nurturing, comfortable environment for which they come to us, give up their time, and participate in our studies. Many of them spend hours or days with us. And so we want to make sure that this space provides them with all the facilities that they need. As far as the sponsors go, the space has given us new technology to allow them to do their auditing and monitoring either on-site or remotely. And particularly in the last year, where a lot of the work has been done remotely, has provided us and them the opportunity to do this with basically a seamless operation. So we started conducting clinical research studies, as I said, to provide our patients originally in practice with the ability to have access to new pharmaceutical agents, new devices, particularly in diabetes, and to allow them to try these things out, to be treated with state-of-the-art medications and/or devices. And we've seen a huge change in the way that patients have been treated over the past 30 years. And it's very gratifying to know that we've been a part of almost, I would say, every class of drug and device that has been tested in the field of diabetes over these past 30 years. So there are multiple benefits that patients may get from participating in trials. Many patients do it for their own benefit, that, as I said, they are being exposed and they do have access to new drugs, new devices, new treatments, new apps, new algorithms, things that can help them take care of their own disease. Many of them do it for science, that they feel that they know that there's a possibility that their family members, their children, their neighbors might also be developing similar conditions to what they have. And so they believe that their participation will help future generations. People are extremely compliant. They return. We probably have a 98% return rate of people who'd like to participate in our studies again. Many of our patients have done studies with us since the early 90s, and in fact some of them have done over 50 studies with us. Say that, for us as providers, it's been incredibly gratifying to take care of these study participants who have spent all this time and energy and commitment to help not only our business grow, but also to help with the advancement of medical science. And hopefully we can continue doing this for many more years.